Hello, kids! Let's learn the alphabet. Are you ready? Let's start. A. A for apple. Apple is red and sweet. B. B for ball. Ball is round. C. C for cat. Cat says meow. D. D for dog. Dog is a pet animal. E. E for elephant. Elephant is very big. F. F for fish. Fish lives in water. G. G for goat. Goat eats grass. H. H for hen. Hen gives us eggs. I. I for ice cream. Ice cream is cold and yummy. J. J for jug. Jug is used for water. K. K for kite. Kite flies in the sky. L. L for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. M. M for monkey. Monkey likes bananas. N. N for nest. Birds live in a nest. O. O for orange. Orange is a juicy fruit. P. P for parrot. Parrot is green in color. Q. Q for queen. Queen wears a crown. R. R for rabbit. Rabbit runs fast. S. S for sun. Sun gives us light. T. T for tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. U. U for umbrella. Umbrella saves us from rain. V. V for van. Van is a vehicle. W. W for watch. Watch shows time. X. X for xylophone. Xylophone is a musical instrument. Y. Y for yak. Yak has long hair. Z. Z for zebra. Zebra has black and white stripes. Great job, kids! You learned A to Z alphabet. Like, share, and subscribe. See you again. Bye-bye.